Sergeant on deck. Hi, my name is Daniel and you're watching the Rogue Clone Trooper channel. Carrying on from my last video, today we're going to look at the Clone Trooper Medipack, which I created for my Clone Trooper Survival Pack. As you see in my last video, I had two of these. I have the small Medipack and the large Medipack. And we're going to go into more details and have a close look at these now. As you can see, I made two Medkits or Medikits. A large Medkit, which contains more items to heal bigger injuries, and a small Medkit, which is kind of a boo-boo kit, which I can take with me on troops. I had mainly designed these to take with me when I was out trooping. First we'll go into the small Medkit. Just under the lid I put a emergency flashlight and beacon. This is made from a small little torch I got at the dollar store, and then added some greeblies to spice it up. It has a nice LED on the side, and then it has these little torches at the front which can either flash or keep on, which makes a nice little signal light. In the main body of the kit we have three more items. First item here is an antiseptic spray. This is made from a little perfume bottle, ideal for keeping the antiseptic spray and easy to applicate then onto an injury, so I can clean out cuts on the go. Next inside is a small little safety knife. I needed something to be able to cut things in an emergency or just to open things up, and I didn't want to bring a big large scissors, so a little small safety knife like this is quite handy. It means I don't break any laws here in Japan and I can still be able to open things up. Next is the real part of the actual med kit. This is made from a little travel kit for taking toiletries or pills and stuff with you. As you can see, it's nicely weathered with the symbols on it and stickers. When you open it, then we have some instructions, and inside you can see that there's a place for bandages and some earbuds. I've also got some gauze and tweezers, and on the far side there is for pills. So if I need to, I can take some painkillers with me for my troop. It all fits nicely back inside the small little med kit. This is a nice little functioning med kit, though it also looks very in-world and something that's not too far out of place for Star Wars. Next we have the large med kit. This kit I made to actually be a fully functional medical kit to take with me on troops and keep inside my troop box. Inside again you can see that there is room for items. Here I have another LED flashlight, and again I put some nice little stickers on it to make it look like it's something that a clone trooper would bring with him. The other item in here is a little container which I have filled up with gauze that comes in a strip, which means I can pull out the gauze as I need and cut it. It stores all nicely again back into the lid. The next item again is some disinfectant in a little spray can, again for easy to spray to disinfect your hands or clean out a wound. tweezers, and a glove dispenser. This is made from a little dispenser for taking it, little bags for cleaning up when you bring your dog with you, and it works out perfect for keeping your surgical gloves in. Again, then surgical scissors or shears, some surgical tape, some strapping bandage, and some pseudo cream. Anybody does notice this is from Ireland and is a great antiseptic cream. We also have here then a vent aid for giving CPR. Also then have a pressure bandage, some more gauze, and some earbuds. I have some band-aids. I always need to have plenty of those just in case. Again, I have some surgical gauze which is sterilized and sealed in a pack. Again, this is actually non-stick gauze, which means it has a shiny side and a knitted side. Some antiseptic alcohol wipes, and a sheet which you can always lay down to put all your stuff onto and keep everything nice and clean. This actually did come in a Medkit for me, and you can actually seal it back up and keep everything inside it as like a trash bag. And that's it. That's my contents of my large first aid kit or med pack. And again, all seals back up and looks like a nice prop and something that you could easily use or easily be used in an emergency and still look like it's from the Star Wars universe. I hope you like this video on my Clone Trooper Medkits. I've had many questions about these Medkits on my Instagram as well as on my Facebook page. People have really given me great feedback on them. I hope they've given you some ideas of what you could do as well to keep things in universe and to actually have something that's very useful with you. Originally I had just designed the small med kit, and people asked me why did they call it the small med kit. Well, because it's small, but I also had planned on making a slightly larger one, but I had been waiting to find the container to go with it, and everything's kind of worked out very nicely. If you want to know about how I did the weathering on this, please check out my other videos, and I do have a weathering tutorial on how I did my armor, and it's the exact same weathering technique I did on that using shoe polish, and as you can see it has turned out very nice and very grubby and looks like it has been used a lot. Especially this one, I really like the way this one has turned out. It really looks very much like a used piece of item that's been in the battlefield. Again, thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to notify you of all my other upcoming videos. And as always, may the force be with you.